And it is indeed hoped that that unity will carry on even beyond this tragedy. Let's move away from that now and into the judiciary, where the war within the corridors of justice seems to be developing as time goes by. Alleged attempts by a section of the judiciary heads to axe Registrar of Courts Gladys Sholay does not seem to have all the answers right. Now, today the Chief Justice held secret talks with judges who have refused to move from the Supreme Court building. Angel Katusia is keeping tabs with the judiciary wars.
For close to 5 hours, High Court judges from across the country were held in a closed-door meeting chaired by the Chief Justice Willy Mutunga here at the Milimani Law Court. Earlier on, Chief Justice Willy Mutunga was held up in another morning private meeting at the Fairview Hotel. Here, Mutunga was supported with Chief Justice Office Communication Consultant Kwamchetsi Makoha. The agenda of this first meeting was not disclosed. Mutunga then proceeded to chair the 3-hour meeting at the Milimani Law Court. The memo calling the High Court judges for a meeting was circulated to judges on Thursday. According to that memo, Chief Justice was to discuss the judges' salaries, among other issues. A communication sent to newsrooms late evening said the meeting was to brief judges on the latest developments in the judiciary. The communique says the Chief Justice commended judges for the quick disposal of election petitions that followed the March 4th general elections. However, there are many issues surrounding the judiciary. There seems to be a battle pitting a team allied to the CJ, Dr. Willy Mutunga, against the embattled Judiciary Chief Registrar Gladys Sholay, as shown in leaked emails. The emails suggesting an intricate plot involving top officials of the judiciary to kick Gladys Sholay out of the office. The judiciary is also bedeviled by unresolved corruption allegations by the Judicial Service Commission against Gladys Sholay. On Friday, Gladys Sholay wrote to the CJ, giving him a 24-hour ultimatum to respond to the leaked mails from what is being termed as the War Council to kick Sholay out of the office. The JSC was holed up in yet another closed-door meeting this afternoon, the details of which have been kept under wraps. Whether the CJ was addressing the matter of the leaked emails with the judges is not yet clear. Angel Katusia, KTN.